Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start with new topic, that is looping. Looping means repetitive task. For example, I want to display some sequence like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. This is a sequence. Suppose I want to display your name 10 times. Suppose I want to enter a particular number 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, anything that is to be repeated, we can use this looping constructs. Now, there are two type of looping construct. One is the for loop, another is the while loop. For loop is known as fixed loop, definite loop, fixed, and this is indefinite variable loop. Definite and indefinite. So first of all, we are going to do some programs and we are going to study about for loop. Now class, as I have told you about the syntax of if condition, similarly there is a syntax for loop also. First of all, you have to write for, then you have to write one variable in sequence or item in range. We can use a sequence also. Suppose I am already having a sequence 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and I want to display that in a sequence, then I can use. Or if I want to display some range from 1 to 20, 1 to 20 number I want to display, then in that case I will use this range option. Now talking about the range, this range we have to give a start, then we have to give a stop. Suppose I want to display number from 1 to 10, then the last condition I will give 11. 1 to 11 I will give, then it will display 1 to 10. And I have to give the step, how much gap I want between 1 to 10. So 1 gap I want, then 1 I have to write. Now see, if you write only this, then it will display from 0 to 9. When you will write all 1 to 11, then it will go from 1 to 10. If you are writing 0 to 30 and step 5, then 0, 5, then 5 added 10, 15, 20, 25. 30 will not come because it will take value less than 30. That is 29. But 20 after adding 25 with 5, it is resulting 30. So it will not go till 29. Similarly, negative 0 to minus 9, then it will go till minus 8. So these are the way. So what we need: start, stop and step. So class, see one basic program to display multiple of 10 from 0 to 9. So it is given 10, so it will go till 9. So 0 into 10, this is I into 10, so 0 into 10, then 0, 1 into 10, then 2 into 10, then 3 into 10, and so on till 9 into 10. Next question is, find the sum of n natural numbers using for implementation. So n natural number, how many number you want to sum up, you will give the limit here. Suppose user enter 20, then it will sum up from 1 to 20. It should work like this. So for that 1 to 20 we will have to give n plus 1, because as I have told you, the last step should be one more than the required. So 20 is required, so we will write 20 plus 1. Now it will sum up. First of all, sum value of sum is 0, sum, and I is going from 1 to 20, and here it will sum up one by one. 0 plus 1, it will be 1, then 1 plus 2, next value is 2, so 1 plus 2, 3, then next value is 3, so 3 plus this 3 plus 3, 6, next time 6 plus 4, 10, and it will go till 20, and answer will be 210. You have to do all this thing practically. Now next is generate the table of a number using a for loop. Very important program. Suppose I want the table of number 3. So 3 1 ja 2, 3 10 ja. For that we have to give 1 to 11. Now 3, it will display 3. It will display x multiply sign as it is. I, value of I is 1 first of all. 1, 3 1 ja, it will display 3. Similarly for the next time, it will remain 3 because it is 3 only, but value of I will change to 2. Then 3 2 ja, it will display 2, and 3 2 ja 6. Similarly 3 3 ja 9, and output you will see of this program like this. Now after that, I have selected some program for you. These are the program to display 1 to 5, 1 3 5 9 7 7 9, then this, then this, then this. Now first part, this one, how to display this. So class, we will write like this: for a in range, because I want to display 1 to 5, so I have to give 6 here. Step is 1 1, means gap is 1 1. Then print a, and here I have given AND statement and comma, because I want 1 comma 2 comma is also to be displayed. So for that I have to use this AND statement. This AND statement will work of giving this comma as well as 2 one after the other, otherwise it will come at like this, but I want in a single line. For that I have to use this and comma, whatever you will give in between this single code, it will display as it is. So you can see the output. This is the output. Next is this one. You can see that it is starting from 1, it is going till 9, and gap of 2 2. Very simple. Starting with 1, going till 9, so we have to write 10 here and gap of 2. A display and this to be displayed. Say this output. This is the output. Now next is this. What you analyze from it? This is 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16 comma 25. So we can make out that this is a square of a number. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is this, and 5 square is this. So only thing, 1 to 5 square we need to find. So 1 to 6 we will write gap of 1 1, because 1 ka square, then 2 ka square, then 3 ka square. Now in Python you can write square like this, a into a, or a we can write like a star star 2 also. It will also give the square only. So first of all, value of a will be 1, so 1 into 1 it will display, then 2 2 into 2, that is 4, it will display, and so on like this. Next is this one. You can make out these are the cubes of number from 1 to 5. So cube a into a into a. Rest of the thing is same. This is the output. That's all class. Last one you try yourself. This one, the last one, you try yourself, and I will give you more sequences on Tuesday. Till then, you complete this work practically as well as theoretically. That's all class.